So this is the Sencut Draxor knife. It comes in this really nice looking package with the blue wipeout that you can wipe everything in place. The package itself looks pretty good as well. The knife is superior. I like how it looks, and this is the budget division of this company. And the reason why this Vivi actually makes those is that they make something much cheaper than you would normally actually get. But the quality is right in here. One button, flash open. Knife itself can open two different ways. So the first way for you to open this up is just like this. Fast deployment. Easy for you to grip this. No hot spots. Feels really great. I like the way this thing actually looks like. There is this thing being a bit grippy. And in the top here we have this whole other light here. Like as you can see, it's not straight down. It kind of gives you this surface to this semi-cut, and it looks really nice. And over here I really like the way this thing has been sanded down. Plus, if you want to get closer to the action, you can potentially do so just right here and still keeping your fingers safe. Plus, there is this thing right there, keeping everything safe and in place when you're actually going to be using it as well. So you're not accidentally slipping as you're doing everyday EDC stuff. Now, it does come with a lock joint over here in place to keep the cost down of this knife. But this actually has been proven one of the better ways for you to close a knife, because you can't have an accident happening in place. You can see it's not going to snap back, even if it's going to get hit from the back over here. It has a carry clip right over here. Easy one finger deployment from here, in case you want to do so. So potentially 3 ways for you to go ahead and open this up. Measuring the specs over here, this one is about 5 inches long. On this end, 1.5 inch. Opening this up, all the way 8.5 inch. The knife blade itself is 3.5, which is legal in a lot of states. And just this part right here is about 5 inches. Knife is well made, opens and closes pretty easily. Looks pretty nice as well. And for those of you who like something a little different on a knife, this is the one you might be considering, especially given the economical price of this knife altogether, the quality, the looks, rapid deployment, and it being a little bit on the big side as a knife. Also, steel material over here is a bit on the cheap end, but it will do, especially for those of you who are looking to save a bit of money on over here. So the blade material is 9CR18 MOV, and the reason why it's made the way it is, it's an economical design for everyday carry, for work use, and not really care about if you mess this knife up or anything happens to it. It is budget price. Overall, it's a pretty good knife. For what you get, for what you pay for, you're getting a good value.